So I was looking at 3D accessories and I found one that I actually wanted to make. And it's actually going to come in use, I think, pretty well if it holds up. With this rear, you get this skid plate for the bottom. I went ahead and found this. So I found this on Thingiverse, downloaded it, printed it, and what it does is it's supposed to go right in here. Boom, snaps right into place. And I happen to have an extra tow hitch here, so see if that works. And it looks like it does. Awesome. Very quick, very simple. Solves my problem. Now the only thing is the longevity of it. So I printed this at 80% infill, so we'll see if it holds up. If it doesn't hold the weight, or if it comes off or wants to come out or something like that, then I'll reprint it with 100% infill and see if that does any better. But that's really it. Very quick install of this. Great accessory to add to your TRX6 if you want to add towing capability. And the good thing is, if you want to take it off-road and you're going to do some sharp angles, you can always take off that screw and take out the hitch. So no worries there. Well, that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe with notifications, and we'll see you on the next video.